CBeebies has a new housemate, Evie. Evie is 25 and from the West Midlands.
Ever since I was 16, this has been my dream job, and now I'm here. It's just surreal. Everybody has been so friendly. Ben and Ryan was so great showing me around the CBeebies house, and I'm so chuffed that I also got to meet Dodge.
Oh, I know. You must always bring doggy treats in.
Okay, dog treats.
Okay, write it down.
Yep. To be honest, I didn't think I got the job, but then 6 weeks ago, I got the call to say, yeah, would you like to be a CBeebies presenter? And I was like, okay, yeah, great. I even got to go to the props room earlier, and it was incredible. It was so colourful, and there was, honestly, every toy that you could ever imagine was in the props room. I love singing. I watched the CBeebies new house songs, and it was a bit of a kind of pinch me moment when I thought, oh, that's going to be me next time round. I'm nervous, I'm excited, but I'm ready, I think. Good morning and welcome to the CBeebies house. I'm Evie, and we are visiting so many of our CBeebies friends today.